Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are revising important topics in the subject of psychology for homeopathic first year students. Our topic number 52 deals with emotion and its types. So let us go ahead with that, and we'll recall the term emotion is derived from Latin word emovere, which means stir up, agitate, excite, or move. Emotions are basic to human beings. Without emotions, life would be unimaginable. Let us define the emotions. An emotion is a cognitive experience that accompanied by an affective reaction and a characteristic physiological and behavioral response. The types of emotion, these include number one, the primary emotions. These emotions are considered being universal and biologically based. These are fear, anger, sadness, joy, surprise, disgust, and contempt. The characteristics of primary emotions are infants are able to read parental emotions. These emotions are universal and even a newborn child can recognize them. Even members of remote culture can recognize facial expression in people who are foreign to them. Facial expression can generate same expression in others, creating mood contagion. It means your emotions are contagious. If you are laughing, probably the other person may also start laughing looking at you. The secondary emotions. The secondary emotions are those which appear after the primary emotions. These develop with cognitive maturity and they vary across individuals and cultures. The characteristics of secondary emotions include secondary emotions are the result of primary emotions. We can have the example of fear caused by a robber who intrudes in your house and threatens you. You may turn into your feelings to this may instead of fear may turn into anger, and you prepare to fight with that person, so it can create a fight reaction in you. The tertiary emotions, these are simply secondary emotions and they occur after the secondary emotions and may get mixed up if emotions are generated at the same time. They are generated along with the secondary emotions. The nature of emotions. The emotions can be broadly further grouped into following two categories. The number one is a positive emotion, or you call them approach emotions. Positive emotions make us feel better and are those that elicit enthusiasm, action, curiosity, and laughter. Out of basic emotions, these include joy and love. Whereas second is the negative emotions or withdrawal emotions. These produce stimulus avoidance. However, negative emotions play a very significant role and also known as emotions of self-preservation and produce flight or fight response. Out of basic emotions, these include number one, disgust, fear, anger, and sadness. Bibliography. We have used the above sites on net to prepare this particular small talk. Thank you very much for patient listening.